you ever find yourself in a situation where you wish you had a reliable dash camera that could record your daily drive and capture any incidents that may occur on the road? If yes, then this video is definitely for you. We have handpicked some of the best dash cams that you can buy now on Amazon in 2023 and that are worth buying if you are looking for products, gadgets, tools that will make your life easier. The ROVE R2 dash cam is an essential car accessory that offers numerous features to ensure your safety on the road. With a 4K Ultra HD video quality and 150-degree wide-angle view, it captures clear and crisp footage of the road ahead, providing you with a detailed view of your surroundings. The built-in GPS tracker records your location and speed, making it perfect for long trips and for keeping track of your vehicle's movements. This dashcam comes equipped with loop recording and can support up to 128 GB of storage, which means you never have to worry about running out of space. The G sensor for impact detection can detect any sudden shake or collision and save the footage. The dashcam turns on automatically and starts recording when motion is detected, ensuring that you don't miss anything important. Overall, the ROVE R2 is an excellent investment for anyone who values their safety while driving. The Red Tiger dash cam is a powerful tool for capturing high-quality footage of your driving experiences. Equipped with a 4-inch IPS display, you can easily view the footage in real time. The camera's 170-degree wide-angle lens captures a wider field of view than most cameras. With 1080p Full HD resolution and advanced night vision technology, you'll be able to capture clear and sharp footage even in low-light conditions. This dashcam also features loop recording, which automatically overrides old footage to make room for new recordings. Its built-in G sensor automatically saves footage in the event of a collision, preventing the file from being overwritten. The dashcam's parking mode features will monitor your vehicle while it's parked, automatically starts recording if any motion is detected. With its easy-to-use interface and comprehensive range of features, the dashcam is an excellent choice for drivers who want to capture their driving experience with peace of mind. The VANTRUE N4 is an exceptional dashcam that boosts an advanced infrared night vision, which makes it ideal for use in low-light conditions. It captures 1440p Ultra HD video with a 155-degree wide-angle lens, providing crystal clear images of the road ahead. It also features loop recording and supports memory cards up to 256 GB, allowing for extended periods of continuous recording. The G sensor detects sudden impacts or collision and automatically saves the video footage to prevent accidental deletion. The parking mode with time-lapse recording and motion detection features come in handy when the vehicle is parked and unattended. Overall, the VANTRUE N4 is an excellent dashcam with advanced features that provide you with peace of mind while driving. The GARMIN Dashcam Mini 2 is a powerful and compact device that packs a punch with its advanced features. With a 140-degree field of view, this dashcam captures every detail of the road ahead in stunning 1080p resolution. Its built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and voice control allow for easy access and operation of the device. This device also features automatic incident detection while saves footage upon impact and provides valuable evidence in the event of an accident. One of the unique features of the Dashcam Mini 2 is its parking surveillance mode, which monitors the surroundings of your vehicle while parked and automatically records any motion detected. Additionally, its driver awareness features include lane departure warnings and forward collision warnings, ensuring that you stay alert and safe on the road. This dashcam is designed to be discreet with a small and sleek design that doesn't obstruct your view of the road. Its magnetic mount also makes it easy to install and remove as needed. With its advanced features, the GARMIN Dashcam Mini 2 is the perfect tool for any driver who values safety and convenience on the road. The Biuone A20 is an affordable dashcam packed with features to help you record every detail of your drive. With a 170-degree wide-angle lens, it can capture a large area of the road in front of you, and with 1080p Full HD resolution, it can record clear and sharp video footage. The dashcam is equipped with G-sensor technology to detect sudden shocks or impacts, and it automatically saves the current video file when an incident is detected. The parking mode and motion detection feature also make sure the camera continues to record when your vehicle is parked. This dashcam is easy to install, and its compact size makes it discreet and doesn't obstruct your view on the road. In addition, the dashcam comes with a 3-inch LCD display to allow you to view your footage on the go. The Biuone A20 is an excellent choice for anyone who wants a reliable and affordable dashcam to record their driving experiences. The VIOFO dashcam is a high-quality camera that captures Ultra HD videos with 4K resolution. It has a super wide-angle view that captures everything happening on the road. The G-sensor for impact detection detects any sudden collision and automatically saves the footage, ensuring that you always have a record of what happened in case of an accident. The dashcam also comes with a parking mode and motion detection feature that records video where the car is parked and detects any motion around the vehicle, keeping it safe and secure. The dashcam's night vision function ensures that you get clear footage even in low light conditions, thanks to the Sony Starvis IMX335 sensor. The VIOFO dashcam also supports loop recording like other dashcams I mentioned earlier, and time-lapse video, allowing you to capture everything happening on the road. So, there you have it folks. The specs are insane and definitely worth considering if you are in the market for a reliable dashcam. Don't buy one before watching this video. You can buy all of these products now on Amazon. And we hope that video has provided you with valuable insights that will help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.